Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We
Oh, that's what we should take.
a cat over there looking like a panther. But yeah, it's dropped. Everything dropped. So only thing left to do is take the transmission out. Yeah, he worked until about 12, I think. Worked about 12. And got that thing down, got that subframe down. And yeah. So me and baby girl is finna go to Home Depot to get some stuff for the tree. I showed y'all the tree. So what day is this? 3? I'm losing the count already. Oh my god. Yeah, so this day 3, I think. Oh, get that battery in there. I need that battery. Gotta put this old Firebird on the side of the road. Side of the road. And yeah, that's what we doing today. What's she doing? I guess she thought I was gonna put my car in the driveway. Nope, I'm gonna leave it right here, honey. Leave it right here. So, yeah. This is what we on. Good old Vlogmas. Look at that battery, just dying. Good old Vlogmas day 3. You driving, baby? I'm driving.
I drive.
You got it? Oh, alright, so it's Vlogmas, baby. Day 3. You know what Vlogmas is?
I spoke to you about that. Vlog up into like the holiday or the vacation.
Yeah, so it's day 3. So Home Depot run. You going to run out of the branch?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they got cheaper taxes. No taxes.
I'm really starting to like shop in Highland Branch now. I know too much like putting with the niggers.
Toolery and the foolery of Memphis, Tennessee.
Yeah, I know who the niggers is, you know.
Not the black people.
Not the black people, but the niggers. The black people over here in the Olive Branch area. And the niggers over there up the street right there. I mean, I ain't saying we the niggers, but we ain't part of that. We just, you know, we around the corner. But I will go to that Kroger every now and then if you run something, you know, you cook, you need something real quick. You know, but yeah, y'all, we gonna go up on yonder.
Yeah, we're going up yonder. Let me change this battery right fast. Hold on. What's going on now? Yeah. Toy store. Finna pull up at the toy store. Well, we done pulled up at the toy store. Baby, you want a cart? Huh? You got a basket? Ah. Man, if we did bring the mannequin challenge back, it's so many of us, boy. We'll be doing that shit for 2 days.
With my family.
Nah, with me, Mike, and person them. And there's so many other man. We be doing this shit forever.
It's more like it.
Ah, yeah. They got this music on, so y'all know how they go. You see them candy canes? They $20. Yeah. Man, look at that. On the street, man. This at least $10, $20. $6.97, man, for the firewood. Oh, y'all better get y'all set to Home Depot, man. I don't know how it is nowhere else, but down here in Olive Branch, that's what we got. $6.97. Think I'm finna get me two.
Okay.
Then she just tell you to move. You better move.
You sure better move.
Before you be stuck to the carpet.
Hey,
Nanny, look at that. Look at the camera right there. What you doing right there?
I love the camera.
You gotta love the camera. You always, every time the camera come on, you ain't got no numbers your drawers. With a Sonic head.
My Sonic head. And what if I got it?
Yeah, this is day 3.
And my drinking?
Yeah. I've been man, playing with rock all day on these videos. And I got some more for 'em on these videos that I ain't even posted yet, but we started talking about these cars and how they gonna whoop me and all that right there. Alright, whatever, rock. So I'm at the crib doing my thing. Ashley over there making Christmas rugs. This is the arts and crafts section of Vlogmas. She over there making rugs. She done bought 6 rugs to make one.
I better not. I do not.
How many is that?
This is a
4.
towel.
It's a towel. Oh.
So.
Well, I said, well, you can't get mad at me. At least I did say you bought rugs. You done downgraded and said they towels.
No, look. These are towels. Which they look like rugs, right?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I call it a rug.
So these are real thick rugs from Burlington. These were $5.99. Now, if you go anywhere, you're going to find rugs higher than this. I tell you, Christmas rugs anyway. These was $5.99. I hot glued them together. And I went to Rose's, which y'all buying roses out. Y'all got them before I did them. Anyway, look. I got these little mats from Rose's, which were $5.99. And 2 of them, which I'm finna glue the towels on the rug.
Yeah.
Which is gonna be my rug for the living room.
I tell Dude to get a hold of it.
If Dude get a hold of it, Dude gonna get a whoop.
Yeah, I see we got the big tree over here. The big junk. Gotta put some more lights on that junk. But we got the big tree here. That junk almost touching the ceiling, man.
Hey, if you a TikTok pictures girl like me.
Yeah, baby, I told you this is the arts and crafts section. Arts and crafts section of Vlogmas.
When you get out a little cheaper, you know.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So yeah, me and Nunny over here kicking it. Nunny say, Tell him, Nunny. Tell him. Tell him. Yeah, tell him. She say, Yeah. What you doing? What you doing on? But yeah. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. And we're gonna get ready for the next one. Why are you grabbing me? We're gonna get ready for this old next video. My time I'm gonna cut them out around about 4 or 5 o'clock. So let me go ahead and get this uploaded for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Man, tap them links, man. Tap them links. And yeah. Finna sign out this one, man. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Catch y'all tomorrow.